Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington County and southwest Pennsylvania, Ohio County and northern West Virginia, northeastern Marshall County and northern West Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near West Liberty or near Windsor Heights and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Clearview, Warwood, Wheeling, Bethlehem, Benwood, Triadelphia, West Liberty, Valley Grove, Avella, Dallas, Claysville, Enterprise. This storm has produced damaging wind gusts. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter